Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Joya and you're watching my channel Joy Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can get leave a note option at your Instagram account. Instagram has released a new feature called Note for its Instagram users. It appears in the DM sections. So if you don't get this option still at your devices, then keep watching the full video and after that you will all know how to get it. So before starting the video, if you are new at my channel, please subscribe it first and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos. So let's get started. Firstly, open your Instagram account. Tap at your DM section. Now on the screen you can see a very first option, leave a note and a plus sign. Just tap on it. Appears on screen, you can see leave a note. Now just leave a note whatever you want to write on it. For example, I'm writing. Now at the bottom you can see share with followers you follow back, and the second option is close friends. In the close friends you can select up to 2 persons, and after that just tap at share. Now that appears on screen, you can see, just tap on it. Hey, I am busy, please do not disturb me. Like this you can easily leave a note for your friends or your circles. If this feature is not available at your devices, then go back. If you are an iOS user, then go to your iOS store, and if you are an Android user, go to your Play Store. And in the search bar, type here Instagram. And make sure that your application is fully updated or not. If it is required the update, please update it first and then again try this feature at your device. And this time you will get this option at your devices. If this feature is still missing at your devices, then don't be panic, because this is a rolling type basis feature and maybe it will be appears in the next update. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please share it to your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos. I hope I will catch you in the next videos. Thanks for watching.